Hello, today we're going to be looking at an oil catch can install on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.0 Turbo. So, there aren't really any mounting brackets that you can find online for this vehicle. What I did was I went to Lowe's and I picked up this guy in the bracket section at Lowe's, and I picked up a flathead bolt. Over here, you'll see that there's some of these plastic plugs. All you have to do is remove one of those. There's already a hole in here. No point in drilling a new hole, just use that one and stick a little bolt underneath it so you can have one screwed in. Mine is a little bit at an angle, and that's so I can avoid any other tubes, and it's not touching anything, and that way the angles are a little bit more natural for the tubes that are going to be going in and out of the engine. Yeah, forgive my lack of technical terms. Anyways, over here, the tube is not crimped. The angles aren't really tight, but it is a little bit awkward. So if you don't feel comfortable doing it, then by all means, don't feel like you have to. I'm gonna take off this shroud, and I just weaved this guy right underneath there, and it actually works out all right. It just took me for basically ever to figure out where to mount it now. You could try to mount one over here, but the less tubing you have to use, the better. So I just did it right there, and when the hood closes, there's no dents or anything. It's not hitting it. I do a lot of miles on my car, so I will do an update video in about a week or so to see if this has actually picked up very much stuff. And that is it. If you have questions about your install or want to know what kind of bolts to get, then you just feel free to hit me up in the comments section. Otherwise, good luck and have a good day.